Assalamu alaikum. In today's course, Basic Grammar Practice, we're going to start with Al-Hamza, written this way. So what we do, a semicircle that way, and then a small line just behind, on the line, of course. Here is the line, it's on the line. Another one, a small semicircle, and on the line, that way. This we call it Al-Hamza. Al-Hamza alone plus Al-Mad, which is that way. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and then we make a straight line. Again, 1, 4, straight line. Al-Mad, Hamza. One, 2, 3, 4. And Al-Hamza above, both of them are pronounced ALIF. 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 And again, ALIF. Now let us discover the different shapes of ALIF in the word. ALIF at the beginning of the letter is written this way. The same while learning. ALIF in the middle of the word is written this way. Small line on the line, of course, and up, slide up, and down, slide down, and another line on the line with Al-Hamza, of course. This ALIF, we find it in the middle of the word. Let us have an example. بئر. بئر, which means a well. ALIF in the middle of the word. Let us have another example for ALIF at the beginning of the word. كلا, which means to eat. Now, ALIF by the end of the word. We make small line on the last line, and then we count 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Another one, small line, and 1, 2, 3. Another one, small line, and 1, 2, 3. Like in the example, marhaba, which means hi or hello. We have another ALIF by the end of the word, which is just a line without links, just a line, like this. The Arabic language without single signs or double signs is not really academic, so we need to know about the signs. Let us start by the single signs. Let us have the first sign, which is called al-fatha. It is written that way. Called al-dhamma, which is written that way. The third one is al-kasra and is written that way. The fourth one is called as-sukun and written that way. And we have al-mad. We're going to discover their functions just now, inshallah. So let us take the example of alif. Here it is alif. With al-fatha it becomes a. A. We open the mouth. We open our mouths large, making this shape. Or even our lips. A. A. Now we move to U. U. I. So A. U. I. Again, let us write it here. A. U. I. Now, A, U, I, E. These are called single signs. Let us discover double signs and see the difference between both. This is al-fatha. It is doubled. Double fatha. 1, 2. So we have a, un. This is one dhamma. U, u. When we double dhamma, it is un. This is al-kasra. One kasra here, it is I. When we double al-kasra, two kasra, it is in. Let us take the final alif example. So we have an, un, double signs we put by the end of the word. Okay? So let us repeat, please. A, U, I, أن أن إن again أن أن إن أن أن إن. The last one. أن أن إن. Today's course with ALIF has finished. Alhamdulillah. We will see each other inshallah in the coming course, which is the letter B. Assalamu alaikum.